Hello everyone and welcome to the part 1 of PCB designing in KiCad. So in this video we're going to learn how we can design schematic of any circuit we want, and then in the next part we will see how we can design a PCB. So first of all, you need to go to the files and create a new project. I have already created a new project over here. So we'll start with schematic editor. We'll cover all these things in this series. So let's get started with schematic editor. So this type of page you will see when you open a schematic editor. Here you can see all the details are given of the page. This you can change by just going to the files and clicking on page settings. In the page setting you can write the date, you can write the title, whatever you want. So let's check. We can write the date, today's date, and we can check that whether it works or not. So you can see I write the date and I clicked on OK, and now this date has been updated. Now we'll see how we can create circuits, design, and all this thing. So first of all, you need to go over this symbol. When you click on this symbol, all the peripherals, all the components present in the KiCad will be available to you, and you can use any of this. You just need to search and you can see all this. So let's take by a simple example, we'll take a battery. We'll take a battery cell. So this is a battery cell. You can zoom this. This is a battery cell. Now we'll take another, like just take a resistor. We'll take a small resistor. You can see if you click over here, you can see the symbols, whichever resistor you want. We'll take this resistor. We'll place this resistor over here. Now let's take another, let's take an LED. So this is the LED. You click on OK, and you can even rotate this LED. You just need to press R key on your keyboard. If I press it, it will rotate. So you can rotate it and place it over here. Now we need to connect all this with the wires. So here you can see this is the option of drawing wires. So I'll click on it and just follow what I'm doing. You can connect with this. It's very easy. So you can see now our circuit has been completed. Now the thing missing in this circuit is ground and voltage. So we'll add ground and voltage to it as well. So we'll open the window again and we'll search VCC. Okay, so here you can see VCC has came. So I'll place VCC over here and I'll search for ground as well. So this is the ground. I'll place ground over here. Now what you need to do is to connect this VCC and ground to your circuit. So I'll connect this VCC and ground to the circuit. So now our circuit has been completed. Now what if you want to give some value to this resistor, to this LED, and to this battery? So what we need to do is just click on this and you can put any value, like I'll put 1K. I'll click on this LED and I'll give it a color like red. I'll click on this battery and I'll give it like 3 volt. So now this circuit has been completed. Now we'll check whether this circuit is correct or not, whether there is an error or not. So you have seen, like, we debug or we run the program. So in this KiCad, what we'll do is we'll run ERC. So you can see there are many options. So here it is. We'll run ERC and we'll check whether we have any error or not. So let's run ERC. Now you can see there are 2 errors, and this error comes because we need to always attach flags over here. So we'll take the flags from the components. So these are the PWR flags you need to connect over here so that you don't see errors again. Now connect this with the wires. Now we'll again run it. Now you can see there is no error. So this is how we draw a schematic in it. So that's it from this video. In this video we saw how we can design our circuit in the schematic editor. In the upcoming videos we will see how we can switch to PCB editor, then how we can use footprint editor, symbol editor, and all this to design a PCB.